Right. Let's do section one.
Good morning, youth.
Youth Council.
You use constant
Caroline.
Korean
Caroline.
speaking.
Caroline
Korean speaking. Oh, hello. I am interested in standing for action,
speaking.
election, election to the youth Korean
Council.
council, council, and I was told to give you a
Call.
call. That's good. God, I have you
Your
name. I have your name, please. Yes, it's Roger
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 Brown.
Brown. Thanks you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I am
Caroline.
Korean
Caroline.
Korean
Caroline.
Caroline.
Hmm.
The youth
Council.
council administration
Administrator.
administrated. So do you know much and what about what the council does? Ro- Roger, I have talked to
No, Stefani.
stuff
Stefani.
stuff
Stefani. T-S-A-N-I.
stuff
Stefani. Stefani.
stuff funny.
Stefani.
Stephanie, I think she is the chair of the
Council.
council. That's right. And she told me a lot about it. How it is a way of way for young people to
Discuss.
discuss local issues for its claim,
Okay.
for example, and make
Suggestions.
suggestions to be done
Council.
concert. That's what made me
Interested.
interested.
Hmm.
Fine. Will let me take down some of your details. First of all, how old are you? You know the
Council.
council is for young people aged from 13 to 18.
18.
I have just turned
Third.
turned 18.
18.
And where do you live,
Roger.
Roger? Well, that's a bit compli-
City.
complicated at the moment. I am looking for a flat to rent there
Here.
here. So I am
In A.
in a hostel from Monday to Friday. I go back to my parents' place at the
Yes.
place at the
Weekend.
weekend. Okay, so where's the best place
Hmm.
to send you some information about the
Council.
council? Oh, to me parents address please. That's uh,
17.
17
Buckley.
Buckley
Buckley Street.
Buckley Street,
Hmm.
Buckleigh Street,
Stamford.
Stamford,
Uh,
Lancashire.
Hmm.
Through
Low.
though you don't really need the
Correct.
country. Oh, I know
Stamford.
Stamford. It's
Hmm.
a lovely town.
Down.
And what's the
Postcode.
postcode? PE97QT.
T.
Right, thank you. So are you working there? Are you
U.
are you a student
Or are you?
or are you a student?
Hmm.
A standard
I started.
started studying at the university
Uh,
a couple of weeks
week.
ago, and I have got a part-time job for a few hours
Personally.
a week.
a week.
What do you do?
What did you?
What do you do? Well, I have done several
Yeah. Different
different things. I have just finished a short
term
term
contract
contract as a
Korea
courier, and now I am working as a
better
waiter in one of the big hotel
hotel.
of there isn't I
That
have
that can't.
that can't leave you much time for studying.
Mhm.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not. I
Manage
managed to
fit
fit it in
all in.
all in. What are you studying?
Not register.
My my
Again.
नीचे ये नीचे नीचे what are you studying yoga is correct. My
Ambition.
ambitions is to go into uh,
Parliament.
parliament eventually. So my
Major.
major subject is
Politics.
politics. That's
Partly.
partly why I think the youth council
Council.
council is important
Mhm.
and want to be a part of it.
Mhm. Mhm.
And I suppose you are also thinks a major subject earns you. I know a lot of people study
Economic.
economics too.
Mhm.
I choose history. I choose history.
Team.
To be honest,
Mhm.
I am not
Finding. Mhm.
finding it as interesting as I
Expected.
expected. Okay, so with you studies and your part-time job,
Mhm.
do you have time for any others interested
Interest.
interest or
Hobbies.
hobbies? Well, I often spend
Mhm.
quite a lot of time
Cycling.
cycling both around
Town.
town to get to university and to walk and also long distance from here to London
Or
for in
stars.
stock
And stars.
installed. That's party in
Impressive.
impresses anything else.
Also
For
relax, relaxation.
relaxations, I am also keen on the cream
Cinema.
cinema. I use to go at last once a week, but I can't manage to go so
Often.
often now. Right? Are you sure you I will have enough time for the youth council? Yeah, yes, I have worked out that I can afford to reduce reduce my house
Hours.
hours at work, and what will
And that will
that will make the time.
time.
So, is there any particularly aspect aspect of the youth
Councils.
council's work and
That
that
appeals.
appeals to you,
Project.
Roger? Well, my sister is blind, so I am particularly interested in with
Disable.
working with
Disable.
disabled young people to try and improve the quality of their
Life.
lives. Okay. What's the great well be best way to get involved
Involved in
involved into be nominated by some people who you know. Rice, can you tell me how to set about organizing that? You should talk to jury or elections officer. I can uh, arrange meetings in the council office with him if you like. Yes, please. Uh, he'll be here next Monday if that suits you. That's the 14th, isn't it? Yes, I can manage lunch after late afternoon. Would you like to suggest a time? He generally leaves around 5:30. 5:30. Well, would 4:30 be okay? My last class finishes at 4, so I did have plenty of time to get to your office. Right, that's fine. Fine. Oh, and called. I have a phone number. We can contact you on. Yes, my mobile number is 07788136711. Thanks you. We all look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks you very much. Goodbye. Bye.